Believers Radio. Believers Radio. Hey yo, welcome back again to Believers Records, the show where we drop your heat every 4 times of the week. Now in today's video, I got this drum kit. It's a sauce. It's crazy, man. I tell you, everything that's in here, bro, it's a sauce. There's a reason why we call it a sauce, because it's some crazy shit, bro. I got this sauce for you. 2021 drum kit from Believers Records. So I got some 808 for you. I got some claps. I got some FX. I got some hi-hats for you. I got some kicks, some midis, some percussion, and some snares. So before we actually go further, you know what to do, man. Just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It surely does help us a lot. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop you some heat. Alright, without no further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to be using contact. I think I'm stuck in contact, Always using contact to demonstrate, but, quality matters. So I'm going to use the same piano that I use in Maybach Hills. That's what I use for the for the beat that you can hear playing in the background. There's a drill beat, I made using the drum kit. It's fire, right? I used it using this drum kit. So I'm gonna load up the first MIDI so you can just hear it. So let's just get started with that. Second MIDI. Alright, third MIDI. Alright, fourth MIDI. It's a crazy it's a crazy package. You can just hear these midis are crazy, man. Like you got everything. You got you got the best chords to actually start making some banging beats, No games, man, no games, bro. So let's go ahead and head for the drums. So I'm gonna start with the 808. All right, claps. All right. Kicks. All right, let's go. Percussion. snares. So yeah, that's it. That's it. I have nothing else to show you apart from telling you that all I got for you, man, is the sauce. The sauce, bro. So, man, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I think that's it for this. So, I don't want to waste your time further, man. Just go ahead and just, enjoy, go crazy on this. Make crazy, crazy banging beats. And if you ever need any mixing and mastering services, man, just hit me up on my number. I'll leave my number up on the screen, and maybe on my email, whichever works for you, as long as you get to me. So I hope that you actually enjoy this package and you actually enjoy yourself when you're making this. So stay safe, and I will see you